about the noise. I can't turn it off. The battery's acting up. Look at all the lily pads that are opening. I'm going to have to try to bring my kayak down here. I've never been in this lake before. I'm coming. You want to go home and see Daddy? Yeah? There's all kinds of turtles in here. Well, I know there's a few turtles that I've put in here that I've rescued on the road. It's very peaceful here. Okay, Mommy's coming. Let's go say goodbye to that turtle one more time. Turtle Mama.